Hello everyone, so I found some eggs of that quail birds. See, it's somewhere here. Yeah, yeah, look, there is the eggs. I will not touch the egg because I don't want to disturb the eggs. That, as you can see, here's the eggs of that quail birds, and this is the nest, you can say. Okay, so I will keep it as it was before, not to disturb this place. Yeah, this is the chicks of quail bird and just hiding. So beautiful to see right now. Yeah, so I believe the chick's mother will be around somewhere here only. Yeah, see this running. Full is this birds, so small in size. So just now I I found this one down here. So I think the chick's mothers maybe here somewhere. So beautiful. So this is the chicks of quail bird, and this kind of birds now you will see on this kind of field, and a lot of these birds are here. Okay, so adorable. It's really nice to see. Oh my god, it's thunder sound. Okay, I don't want to disturb these chicks. I wish these chicks will safely return to her or his mother, whatever it is, I don't know. So anyway, so tell me. See, it's barely you can see, you can find out the color is so natural. So this is a special kind of, what is called, special kind of adaptability for them to hide from predator, you can say, to save themselves. So nice, na? Yeah. See, I'm not even 2 meters away from that chicks, but you hardly see, hardly you can see. This is the chicks. Look here. Here it is. Chicks of quail birds. So nice, na? Yeah. So basically, this is the thing I like, and I want. Okay. Now this chick.